Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today's video is going to be the first of many. I'm doing a fall glam tutorial today. So I'm just showing you guys how I get this easy, simple, very easy fall glam look. And I am using all ColourPop eyeshadows. I noticed that ColourPop came out with It's a Mood palette. And I remember I created this palette like a year ago with single ColourPop eyeshadows, and I feel like it looks similar to the It's a Mood palette, so I decided to just create a fall look using my ColourPop shadows. And I forgot to do my inner corners. Let me just add that real quick. So I am going to be creating this easy fall glam look, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start off with the shade Sea Stars, and this will serve as my transition shade. I'm just going to kind of go all over my eye with this. I'm not being too precise with this shade. Now I'm going to take Bratty and I'm going to focus this shade in my crease area. And I'm also going to take it a little bit to my outer V as well. Now I'm going to take Crisscross and I'm going to apply that on top of Bratty. Now I'm actually going to take a big fluffy brush and go back into Bratty and just go over all those colors just to blend everything together. Now I'm going to take Feathered and we're going to place that on the outer V. And this is a very dark brown, and so I do go in lightly and I slowly build it up. And this is kind of like what's going to give me that glam look because it's such a dark color. It's going to make the look look kind of smoky, but you do want to kind of go in slowly with darker shades. You don't want to just pack on a super dark shade. So I'm taking my time to blend that in. And now taking my finger, I'm taking the shade called Something and I'm applying that to my lids. And then on top of Something, I'm taking this darker yellow gold shade called Two Birds to intensify that gold and make it more yellow. I'm going back in with Feathered and I'm just going to apply that brown again because I feel like I lost some of it. So I just wanted to deepen up my outer V and just tie the whole look together. I'm going to take my Milk Hydro Grip primer to prime my face. For foundation, I'm taking my Catrice True Skin foundation. I really like this foundation. It is such a nice formula. And for concealer, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. I love this concealer so much. And for setting that, I'm trying the One Size powder in translucent, and I actually really did like this powder. It was very easy to work with and it melted right into my skin, and it didn't leave like a white cast that I typically get with translucent powders, so I really like it. And after setting my under eye with the powder, I decided to go on top of that with a spray just to melt everything in. And I'm going to take my Alamar Cosmetics bronzing palette and I'm going to bronze up the skin. And for blush, I'm taking my Buxom Cosmetics Wanderlust blush in the shade Goa. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara, my Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm taking the House of Lashes in Juliette, and I'm applying those falsies. Now I'm just smudging my lower lash line with the shades that I used on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take my Milani Make It Last setting spray and just melt everything together. Now I'm taking the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in SMLL26 Maison, and I'm just going to outline my lips with this. And over top that, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in 160 Mover, and I'm just going to apply this very lightly. I'm just blotting this on my lips because I don't want it to be too much. And to add a little shine, I'm taking the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer in Clear, and I'm just going over top. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys like my fall glam makeup tutorial. It's super easy but very glam, very pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.